Hi guysini, utirelo shem uyagoa from isoja to ibubezi. Lalela, umpumelelo, we all know ukuthi he would normally addresses utirelo as isoja lakhe, but kesana in this coming episode of tonight sizwe umpumza ethi nje utirelo useyibhubezi ngithi sana ayibo. waze wanamagama boitirelo, and they're not romantic at all. I don't know how as being called a soldier romantic and how is being called ibube is romantic. Like, guys, umpumelelo needs to do better. You cannot address isithandwa senhliziyo yakho ngesoja jigi jigi bubezi. No, Tirelo, please, not Tirelo, Mpumelelo, please up your romance game, because at this point kuyateka ke sana. Now simbonile ke umpumza introducer umamncane. Well ke guysini, I think even uvuyongazi when she left the relationship wazisho nje kahle ukuthi umpumelelo ave ifela ngamantombazane. And I think it's one thing that we know, all of us right now, ukuthi Shame Bandla uTirelo was never gonna be the only girlfriend, okay? Their second girlfriend was gonna come. So nango ke lana umpumelelo introducer umamncane, umpumelelo introducer umamncane kuTirelo, and uyasho ke lana ukuthi inkinga yakhe ukuthi nje utiritiri usevele waphenduka washintsha wayelikhulu leli bhubesi. Shothi ke umpumelelo uyibhubesi and then uTirelo ubhubesikazi. Sizothini bafethu, ayikho into sizoyenza. But anyway guys, at some point I do feel like this show is scripted, okay? Because I do know for sure that umpumelelo and uTirelo, they are happily in a relationship. Even now they are happily together, happily striving in their relationship. So I don't know, probably Umatiritiri was going through it last year and now they have mended their things and they are together and they are happy. But let me just give you a review of what's gonna happen. uTirelo is now gonna have a taste of her own medicine, okay? Because guys, it's one thing saying you understand the same, you understand that your man is a polygamist, as another when he actually comes and walks in with a second girlfriend. Like, it's not a pleasant feeling at all. And this is what Uvuyokazi went through as well when uTirelo was being introduced to her. So now uTirelo will get to taste her own medicine. Ukuthi akukhomandi guysini, it's not nice at all ukuthi second girlfriend introduce kuwena. It's not nice. So I'm guessing ukuthi that's how the Lion statement came about, okay? Lion statement came about ukuthi uTirelo manje naye sakazwe ipain ukuthi yey kanti akukho mnandi ngempela umuntu mangabe sezokuintroducela ugirlfriend number 2. It's not nice, at all guys. It's not nice. So their pain okusalayo uyayifa, and I don't care whether uTirelo benopumelelo are happily in a relationship or whatever. Okusalayo, the fact that she felt pain, she felt it deep in the downs of the downs. She felt pain because this girl was so mean towards of you guys. Like, she was so mean. You would swear that she's you mean to whatever you get. Like, she was extremely mean towards Uvuyokazi. That's just how mean she was. And for me, honestly, I know I don't know her. I will probably never meet her. She will never meet me. We will but I still don't like her. And let me tell you, even now on this season, I have not watched it, like watch it, because like I'm just probably avoiding uTirelo. Like, guys, like I don't know if they are still getting the same views and rates as the last season. But with me, honestly speaking, the girl is she is ill-mannered, okay? She is ill-mannered. And as women, guys, we don't have to put each other down. And this is one thing that we always say, and this is how we should raise our girls as well. We do not have to put each other down. I know and I understand that they were in love with the same men, probably they were each other's competitors towards or in Pumelelo's life, but there is no need to put someone down. This girl goes as far as saying, oh, love yourself, value yourself. Baby girl, you don't value yourself, okay? Because we all know that one thing for sure, Umpumelelo busy, up and about, busy in the streets, and you value yourself. Please define value yourself, because you clearly do not know the definition yourself, okay? And guys, honestly speaking, honestly, if I'm just being honest, like, I try to avoid the show as much as possible, but yeah, I enjoy giving you guys reviews. So yeah, I am here for it, okay? I am here for giving you guys reviews on what's happening on Uthando Nesithembu. One thing about Umpumza ke hi shame lalela makunenyama inyama melibe khona, you get istofuza. That's his type, because he has clearly proven to us every time and again that he is into not ilenta nkosi yami, no inyama imingekho count umpumza out, but inyama imikhona, you know, nje into sokubambelela emzimbeni, yonke into ikhona, isinqa sikhona, isisu sikhona, ithanga likhona, ibele likhona, awe ma izinto ekampumza ke lezo. But ke guys, nango ke nayo uma mncane uAmahle ese comment ke lana ngokuthi uTirelo vele uyilona ibhubesi, ngathi shwele ngacishe ngawe esturweni ma ngacishe ngawa ngithi hayibona guys, like ugirl ufika izolo usazi ukuthi uTirelo uyibhubesi, wazelapha manje ukuthi uTirelo uyibhubesi, yeah, and she looks calm. This girl, she looks just as calm as Uvuyokazi. I honestly wish Uvuyokazi was still around, and this is the girl that Umpumelelo got to introduce to Uvuyokazi. I feel like, because lo girl uright nkosami uyithobile akaphaphi njengoTirelo, you get, I feel like maybe perhaps the relationship could have worked out. But also guys, one thing that you all must know and keep in mind, and you will say that I told you this, uTirelo is actually Mpumelelo's first wife, okay? Because we know that the lobola has been paid right now, okay? The lobola has been paid. Tirelo is actually Mpumelelo's first wife. So please bear and put that in mind, that Umpumelelo nje mhlambe was no longer into Uvuyokazi about the Gigi thing, because that never came to surpass. So yes, uAmahle is being introduced to uTirelo, this and that, but she's not being introduced as if she's gonna be umamkhulu. No, she's not going to be umamkhulu. She will remain umamncane as she came second, okay? But ke for the near fact nje yokuthi uTirelo uzubhlungu, ipeni nyana, inhliziyo isibu bu, just for that I ngeke bafethu siya rejoice. A win is a win. A win is a win at this point. A win is a win. Anyway, up next we saw Combs with Umpilontle. It seems like they are having a meeting, or they are meeting up with Umpilo's mom. And guys, honestly, I am so drained over a storyline Sikampilontle at this point. Like, it's unnecessary, like it needs to end. I ngeke below ngikhonzile ukukhonza kodwa ngeke like this storyline is from Uthando Nesithembu, if you all remember, like back in the years of Umpilontle and ilobola and all that, and her mom demanding ilobola and all that kind of stuff. And it has been dragging, and I don't understand why is it difficult rather for Umusa to just go and pay ilobola for Umpilo. I mean, no, it's not like we are talking to a broke man here, okay? We are not talking to a broke man, but you know, I think he just wanted to prove a point towards Abantu Bakabompi, and that's just disrespectful if you ask me. I mean, ukuthi ngeke ngizengenze mina nento eningitshela yona, you know, it was just a matter of nje he just want to prove a point ukuthi angeke mengafuna ukulikhipha lelo lobolo futhi angeke silikhiphe, and I'm just like, but that's just disrespectful, okay? But anyway, they are having a meeting with uMakampilo, nkosi yami ozwaguga. So Can't believe that I said this. But Kaiseni Mapilo looks old. I have to say this, and I'm so sorry if Umpilo is listening to this. I'm really not coming to her mom. Her mom is very beautiful. You can tell that, okay? And you can tell Gutsiko Sam, she never got married to a wealthy man. If she did, she was gonna be looking like Musa's all the other wives, okay? But what I'm trying to say here is that she does look like she is on Macele's age, okay? She looks older, and I don't know, for some reason I thought she was younger. I don't know why, but then nowadays I'm really seeing that shame. She is like older. And I'm really saying this in a good way, guys. We will all age. I will age as well. Everyone else will age, okay? But I'm just saying, for some reason I thought she was young, but she is not young. Otherwise, she's beautiful. She is gorgeous. She's a 10 over 10. It's just that she looks like she is on Macele's age, okay? So she does say ukuthi bandla kudingeka inkomo eziwu4. Guys, angazi one thing about isiZulu, asifani guys, angeke size sifane futhi isiZulu, like it's just not a one size fits all. So maybe ngempela inkomo eziwu4 ziyadingeka ke ukuze umpilo ehambe eyohlawula, so that azoshintsha isibongo. Not ke thina ye phela sesazi, because indaba umpilo Nhle usasihlebela thina ukuthi yena usaziyela nje eHome Affairs, wayocela iapplication letter, wa-applya, nje izinto ziku in process, kuyaprocessiwe lapha eHome Affairs ukuthi isibongo sakhe sikhona ukushintsha kahle from uZungu to uMseleku. Guys, the Mseleku surname holds weight, okay? If you are Musa's child and you do not want to change to Mseleku, you will be foolish, okay? Because for the near fact that you are Mseleku nowadays, because that man, he has legit built a legacy for himself and for his children and for everyone else, even grandchildren possibly. You will be foolish, you will be foolish. So I understand, I understand why Umpilo Nhle wants to change, and probably she's not only doing this just because maybe Vele, she does want to feel the sense of belonging to Mseleku and all that. But also the Mseleku surname, please guys, let's not slide to one another. Like, that surname holds water, okay? It holds all the weight that you need. So for Umpilo Nhle who wants to change, like, it's understandable. Anyway, guys, the biggest question here is, will Umusa now, because everything lies up to Umusa, will Umusa understand and accept the fact that these 4 cows have to be paid, or rather ilobolo likaMpilo Nhle has to be paid? And I feel like Vele Nkosi yami Bandla, he has to be persuaded by uMakhumalo at this point. I want to I'm sorry guys that I got cutted, but yeah, I just wonder how will this whole lobola for Umpilo Nhle be resolved. But then again, I hope and I pray that Umusa will finally do right by Umpilo Nhle. This is one child who is just obedient, okay? She listens to her father. She does everything that her father tells her to do. So I'm at this point, I'm just praying, Musa, please see Umpilo Nhle through. See her through and go and do right by Umpilo Nhle, because Umpilo Nhle, honestly guys, she's not even asking for a lot. She have already done the process herself, and it would just not be fair and right towards Umusa if he will fail to just sacrifice 4 cows, just 4 cows for his beloved daughter. While we are still talking about Umpilo Nhle, I get ugirl, hi ke umongelings Nkosi yami, disappointing me ngokuthanda indaba zabantu. It seems like higelana kukubo eMuzumbe kuchiliwe no Terelo umateriteri. And Umpilo Nhle Nkosi yami could not keep herself towards herself, hold herself, pull herself towards herself. Girl wavele nje wathi dzwa nendaba engakalani, wathi manje ke we girl asking phela umateritiri ukuthi ke so ke makungathiwa kuyenzeka ke lana ukuthi phela umpumzi ubrampumzi, you know, because siyamazi phela umpumelo ngeza adume ngazo anytime any day. So mangathiwa kuyenzeka ke lana ukuthi ubrampumza ufuna omunye umuntu, what would you do? What did you do, Mpumi? And I'm just like, hayibona wena Mpilonhle, you know, all along I was in love with you because you were more like someone ongayithanda indaba zabantu, ongangeni, ongayi-entertain indaba zabantu. Manje ke hey, I was on disappointed, you know, like I'm just so disappointed on Mpilonhle for actually asking that question, because I'm just like, Sana, stay away from indaba kaMpumzi, you know, like azingak affect, like do not let it be, don't. But anyway, guys, what could we have said? Because Mpilonhle has already asked a question here. And I think in the table, it was Mpilonhle, Usne, Uterelo, I think. I'm not sure if Abongwe was also there, but I honestly did not see Abongwe. So I'm just assuming Uguti Abongwe was not with them when this question was being asked by Mpilonhle. Hi, not Usne Ntlantla, not Usne Ntlantla. We all know that Usne was quite close with Uvuyo guys. Well, it seems like they were on our screens. It seems like if one person that Usne was really close with was Uvuyo guys. But then now Usne seems like, you know, because he does say Uguti, if Umpumelelo, it happens Uguti, he actually does introduce the second girlfriend. Usne just like, yey angazi nenkinga nje nenkinga, asifune inkinga thina nje, yazini asifuni inkinga, you know. And this just makes me feel like now Usne is more closer to Uterelo, you know. She feels Uterelo's pain and she feels like ayibo asifune inkinga thina la ekhaya, bo engayihluphi nje, whoever is like engayihluphi ngempela ethi uzoza la ekhaya right sinjena, you get, you know. And it gives me that kind of impression in a way ukuthi Usne now akasafuna omunye umuntu ozoedeka ke. Asazi ke guyzini, asazi ke because one thing about Umpumelelo, one thing about Sibubesi lasemzumbi alidlali bafethu, like alidlali, aljoke, has not a joking around here, okay? He's not playing anyone, he's not playing any jokes. He does what he promises to do and he deliver ke sana. But guys, I just wonder if uamahlo wabantu will be accepted within or by the siblings, because the siblings have honestly formed a very beautiful relationship with their sister-in-law, with their sister-in-love, Uteritiri, of which they should, you know, of which they should form such a beautiful relationship. So yeah, umateritiri uyaphendula ngelana uthi no guys, naze nasindwa yinyawo by asking that question, because actually umuntu khona, you know. And the siblings are like, hayibo, what do you mean ukuthi umuntu khona? And umateritiri uthi yeah, I mean exactly that, ukuthi Umpumelelo unomuntu akasemtholile and umuntu nje into ekhona, you get, uningayihluphi nithi niyabuza imibuzo ngoMpumelelo, no, umuntu khona, you get. So ke guyzini, asazi at this point mina vele nje ngizosho ngithi yey angazi kwa into le, you know. I honestly do not know ukuthi iyosala nkomoni. But one thing for sure, do not be misled by the show editing, by this and by that. Uterelo ngumfazi ngalokhu. Tirelo is Simindi's wife, ngumfazi wenkomo, and everything is done and dusted within uSibindi benoTerelo. They are happy, these two people, okay? They keep on playing us, they keep on playing you. I saw someone saying Terelo is going live, saying this, saying that. Guys, I think she just starting to be a big thing when it comes to this reality TV thing, and she will just start to play it around her. So Yeah, but otherwise I think she's happy, and I do believe that she is umamkhulu kasibindi slash ibhubesi slash isoja, you know, amagama kamateritiri wonke lawo. Anyway, Mekezini, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, you will give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will definitely see you on the next one, when of course I am bringing you more reviews. Please don't be shy. Comments down below and tell us what exactly do you think about uThirelo. Pena muntu wakhe usibindi.